All right, so I wanted to cover a quick tip that's been helping me a ton when retail drop shipping on Poshmark specifically here. But realistically, this overall strategy and mindset goes across the board, whether you're drop shipping on Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, Depop, wherever realistically in your retail drop shipping. And that is that I've anecdotally noticed that the more you consistently list, like if you drop off and you don't list for a few days or a week, right? Your sales start to kind of taper off. And this like has been proven on eBay a while back, but I've seen it anecdotally on Poshmark, on Mercari, definitely on Facebook Marketplace as well, and a little bit on Depop. And so what you want to do is you want to consistently list every single day, whatever you can, whether that's 5, 10, 50, 100 consistently, whatever it is that you're comfortable doing. You can use the software like ZDrop or List Perfectly so that it only takes you, a few seconds to list, not a few seconds, maybe like a minute or two per listing. And obviously, if you're doing it in bulk with the bulk lister on something like ZDrop or List Perfectly, you'll do it a lot faster as well. But one of the things because as you can see, this closet right here has almost 70,000 listings. One of the things that's happening on Poshmark recently is they'll start to put inactive listings, or they'll start to put older listings, inactive when you leave them for a period of time. And this benefits, twofold. It benefits obviously the customer, because if what they don't want happening, and this is the same reason why they started to introduce the cancellation policy and make that like a massive thing on Poshmark. If the customer goes ahead and they look at a listing and buy it from somebody that listed that product like a year ago or 2 years ago or 6 months ago, then the chances of that product still being within that seller's hands and ready to ship out is a lot less than if that seller listed it yesterday or a week ago, right? And so what they're doing is they're slowly making your older listings inactive so that the customers have a higher likelihood of actually receiving the product when they purchase it. And this obviously benefits Poshmark, because then there's more trust there that somebody, when they go and they purchase something on Poshmark, isn't going to get their order canceled because that seller doesn't have that in stock anymore. So what you need to do now, and you started to get these notifications on your actual homepage, on your closet, is activate your inactive listings. If you don't have a lot of listings, this will be very easy to do. If you do have a lot of listings in your retail dropshipping like I teach, obviously you're going to need to do this in bulk. If you get the notification on your closet, just activate it on your closet. If you don't, then what you want to do is you want to go up here to this right little wrench right here on the right. Scroll down, you'll see that you can do a lot of different things in bulk here. So what you want to do is you want to bulk activate your listings. Now what that's going to do is it's going to have a little pop-up here that says activate listings. You click that, and then you're going to be able to select from your listings to activate. And so what I'll do, because I have a lot of inactive listings because we've listed for years here on Poshmark, is I'll scroll down and I'll do about 1,000 at a time, and I'll just let it go. It usually takes 5-10 minutes to activate those 1,000, right? If you don't have that many, you don't really need to worry about it, but this is the easiest way to activate your listings. And then what that will do is obviously give you more listings. You can see it literally scrolling down. I have it just scrolling down, getting all these loaded so that they can activate. What that will do is it will obviously activate more of your listings so that you have a higher chance to sell, because you'll have more listings in volume and those won't be inactive, so buyers can actually see them now. But also what that will do is it will simulate consistency of listing for you. And so you'll get that benefit of that boost, so that even if you didn't list that day, you can activate your old listings, or you can even go in, hit that wrench, and then bulk update them. I'll use that oftentimes to update my prices in bulk. So if I notice, for example, like we started listing a while back, like up 30%, then we upped it to 40%. Now we're listing 50% above what the actual markup is. So if a product on Amazon or wherever your supplier is $40, or let's just use $100 because that's easy. What we'll mark it up to is $150, 50% increase on that specific product, right? Scroll all the way up until you get to the top, and then you'll see where you can just bulk select them all. Here we are, select all. And then once that's activated, you'll see that was 960. You could do less. You could do like 420. You could go scroll down more. You could do like 2,000 at a time. I just like to do it that much. I've noticed that if I scroll down for a while and it activates like 10,000 listings at once, sometimes it lags out and then it doesn't work anyway. So I would just do it, in patches like that, in batches, I guess, not patches is what I meant to say. Now we're going to activate this. And to get to what I was saying with like the wrench, when you want to update your prices, it's that same spot, right? The top right on your closet, that wrench, and you'll see that listing at that option at the very bottom to bulk update your prices. And this is what I've been doing lately. It's really been helping my sales. Again, I'm not sure. This is all anecdotal because I do this every single day. across different marketplaces. But I've noticed that the more I start to do this, the more my sales increase. I don't know if that's obviously just because I'm getting more listings updated, obviously, that are ready to sell, which is, just like a no-brainer and common sense. But also because I'm getting that consistency bonus of more listings every single day. And so it can benefit you in that aspect as well, right? And it's showing activity on your profile, so it looks like you're an active seller. So again, I don't want to talk too much about this. I've already rambled on for 5 minutes. I just wanted to kind of introduce this to you because it's a simple thing that anybody can do with a Poshmark closet, whether you're retail drop shipping or you're reselling or whatever, that's going to help your sales. Give it a shot. Give it like a week, maybe 2 weeks. Let me know how it works for you.